Hi class, it's Dr. Azimi. I am here giving you updates regarding our transition from face-to-face to the online class setting. As you know, I sent an email earlier today about the transition for next week, starting Monday, where class will be held online along with Wednesday of next week. Please continue to check your CCBC email and messages from me, and also continue to go on the CCBC website for ongoing messages about the schedule and our return back to a face-to-face setting if that occurs. For right now, we only have answers for how we plan to move forward for next week. So as far as our class, we already talked about this. Possible transition, so I think you're all well prepared and ready to move forward in the online setting. I went over the types of uses that I'll incorporate on Blackboard, but as you know, I want you to check your announcements tab on a regular basis. I will create announcements regularly with assignments so that you can keep up with your workload. I will also give you specific directions, step-by-step directions, as to how I would like you to log on so that we can actually have FaceTime classes with each other. Also, as a note, I did assign the rough draft for your essay to you for the second essay. That was assigned yesterday in class. Please take note that that will be due on Monday as scheduled. I asked you in class yesterday to submit that assignment by emailing it to me through the Messages tab. I no longer want you to email that to me. Instead, I will create a link so that you can submit that rough draft to me. It's very important that you submit that assignment by Monday at 10 a.m. because there will be a peer editing activity that you will all engage in. And on a further note, if any of you have questions about usage of online while at home, please contact me. If you have issues accessing the internet, or if you have concerns about technology at home, please let me know of any of these concerns. I will work with you so that you can be successful in the course. We'll think of other ways as to how you could submit your assignments. I hope you have a nice weekend, and we'll be in touch on Monday. And remember to email me if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.